Do you have PCOS and you're trying to get pregnant? Well, let's talk about why we need to treat and how to treat your PCOS before you get pregnant so you can have a healthy baby. Even if you have PCOS, polycystic ovary syndrome, you can still get pregnant. And you can do it naturally without any medical intervention. But you need to get healthy first. Why? Because PCOS is a metabolic disease, meaning it causes inflammation that can affect your heart and cell function. I know you just want to get pregnant, but balancing your hormones, reducing your inflammation, and improving your cell metabolism is the way to help you conceive. Besides, I know you want a healthy baby, right? Of course you do. Healthy babies are more likely to be born to healthy moms. So where do you even start to treat your PCOS so you can have a healthy pregnancy and a healthy baby? First, you help clear inflammation by cleaning up your diet. Being a metabolic disorder, PCOS responds very well to a plant-based Mediterranean diet. That means no processed foods or sugary drinks. It means lots of fruits and vegetables, a wide variety with lots of color. It means healthy fat like olive oil, avocados, nuts, and seeds. It means fish and seafood, beans, legumes, poultry, cheese, unsweetened full-fat yogurt, very little red meat, and heart-healthy red wine, but not too much. Second, you exercise to raise your metabolism. 20 to 30 minutes a day of aerobic activity like brisk walking, jogging, cycling, hiking, swimming, dancing, whatever you like to do. Just get your heart rate up to the point you can't easily talk. If you have a heart monitor device like a Fitbit, you're going for 70% of your maximum heart rate. You can calculate your maximum heart rate by subtracting your age from 220. So if you're 30 years old, your maximum heart rate is 190. That's as fast as your heart can safely beat. And your heart rate needs to be at least 133 beats per minute to be in the aerobic zone. The third step to get healthy, to get pregnant with PCOS, is to balance your hypothalamus. Your hypothalamus controls your ovaries' production of sex hormones, estrogen and progesterone, to regulate your menstrual cycle and get you ovulating so you can conceive. And since PCOS is categorized by high adrenal androgens like DHEA, it's really important to support your hypothalamus. That's because your hypothalamus controls your adrenal gland's production of hormones through what's called the HPA Access, or the hypothalamic pituitary adrenal axis. If your hypothalamus is not functioning properly, then your adrenals overproduce cortisol and DHEA, and too much cortisol production over time leads to insulin resistance. And your hypothalamus also controls your insulin glucose metabolism. So you can help lower your cortisol and reverse insulin resistance by supporting your hypothalamus. Most PCOS treatments target downstream, like metformin for insulin resistance, or in functional medicine, holy basil and ashwagandha is used as adaptogens to control adrenal hormone production. Conventional medicine uses birth control pills to regulate periods, but that won't help you get pregnant. None of these treatments target the root cause of PCOS, which is hypothalamic dysfunction. Treating your hypothalamus is upstream medicine. There are no drugs that optimize hypothalamic function. There are no individual herbs or individual vitamins or minerals that optimize hypothalamic function to treat PCOS and help you get pregnant. It takes targeted amino acids designed to support your hypothalamus and a wide variety of phytonutrients derived from sea vegetation, sprouted plants, and microdoses of herbs to give your hypothalamus what it needs to do its job well. Reduce your inflammation, reverse your insulin resistance, lower your adrenal androgens, and balance your hormones. If you'd like to learn more about how to get healthy to get pregnant with PCOS, sign up for our Hormone Reboot training, and you get access to everything you need to get back into balance. Getting pregnant with PCOS is possible. Once you treat your hypothalamus and eat a healthy anti-inflammatory diet and exercise, your periods regulate, you begin to ovulate, and your body gets ready to conceive. Because now you're healthy. Your hypothalamus deems it safe for you to bring a baby into the world.